Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make another chicken recipe, that is chicken, potato and palak recipe. So today I am going to make this recipe. I hope you all will like it. I have taken chicken over here, you can see this is 3 pounds chicken. Then I have taken potatoes here, it's cut up. I have taken palak also. All this I will mix and make the curry. I have taken onions also. You can see the onions over here. This I will cut them up. Over here I have taken ginger, garlic and little bit onions. This I will make into a paste. Over here also I have taken dry chilies, some garam masala. You can see khara garam masala. This is pepper, black pepper, and this is jeera. All this I am going to make it into a paste and then make the curry. So I hope you all will like the recipe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I will put some mustard oil now here. I have put the mustard oil in. Now this oil will turn hot. I have taken here jeera and one dry chili, red dry chili. This, when the oil turns hot, I will put it in. The oil is turned hot, so I am going to put this jeera and the red dry chili. The onions which I have cut up, this also I will put in the oil. Now I will let the onions fry. Friends, the onion is fried up. Now I will put in the salt. Now I will put in the palak. Friends, the palak is put in. Now I will put in the potatoes and the chicken. I have chopped up 2 tomatoes. This also I will put in. Friends, now I will cover this up and let the water dry up, because the chicken and the palak will leave water, so I will cover it up for it. Once this dries up, then I will put in the masalas. Friends, you can see the water is dried up. It's not fully dried up, but it is gone very less. Now I will put in the masalas. Put some turmeric powder, and the masala which I have made into a paste, this also I will put in. Now I will let the masala fry along with the chicken and the palak and potato. Friends, the masala is being fried with the chicken. Friends, you can see the masala is fried up nicely with the chicken. How nice it's looking now. Now I will add some water. I will put little bit water because the chicken and the potato is already cooked up. Just for the gravy I am putting some water. Friends, I will keep the gravy little thick. It will be very, very delicious to eat. You all should also try this recipe once. Friends, this palak, potato and chicken recipe is ready. You can see the gravy is turned thick. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching my video.